Okay, hey, we're on the floor now, so I want to introduce you to my friend Kalo. We just learned that about 10% of your population here are veterans, and you yourself are a veteran, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell us about your duty and what you do for the Army.
The Army, I'm an NCO, Army National Guard. So that transfers here as well as me being a team lead here as DF Transmission.
And how do you fit into that?
Working here as DF, being a veteran, they know they're going to get hard-working members of teamwork and someone that can boost the morale of the group.
Robert is our last stop on this trip, and not only were you a veteran, but you've been in manufacturing for a long time. So you, for a while, were in the National Guard and were doing manufacturing. So what's that been like to have that career like that, do a double service, if you will?
It's been very pleasant. It has allowed me to use the Army core values. I'm always working, making sure the job is done, putting the company first.
What is exceptional about you? What is Robert bring that when you're most proud about your service, what are your teammates? What would they say if I asked them?
Leadership.
Leadership.
Yes, sir. So my day starts off at 6 a.m. and I'm usually here at about 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Just making sure all the shifts are running. I'm on call all night just to make sure we hit all targets and quality EOL targets. Just putting the company first, making sure we produce a high-quality transmission to our customers.
But Robert, you're living selfless service for sure. So thanks so much for your time today and sharing everything with us.